Hi, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, showing you a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard, powered with the V6 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke motor. Got the beautiful gray stone interior, 2 steps down into a sunken cockpit. Look at the large amount of seating, 8.5-foot beam, bow and cockpit tables, infinity woven vinyl flooring. Boat is equipped with a 9-inch screen, head with pump out, lots of seating, lots of comfort. Look at all the upholstery all around where your back sits. Upgraded sound system, subwoofer, blue LED light package, sport tower with a large bimini top attached to it. This boat is available here at MarineMax Pompano. You can give me, Justin Costello, a call, 954-633-2070.